Hello friends, in this video from Istanbul, Z18 Professional Series, to Mr. Yilmaz, who is the owner, device, I will show its use. I would like to share this event with you. Firstly, upon initiating the use of the device at its rear, the key activating. As a second process, computer program, I run it. Fresh customers starting to use it now. Device in manual mode. To use, it will lessen the chance of making an error. In this video, users, during measurement, what is the appropriate way to behave? I will detail this. The analysis, post-measurement in the office space. I will share with you while analyzing. First of all, the starting point. Right side of the old software. Move to the left, to the sensor. Located in front of the sensor. The caption is always in the direction of the walk. When using this device, movement should be made in the north-south direction. Our back is always north. Our direction of travel is south. We have to keep going. We should use this direction during the measurement. I established the connection. Manual mode. I am now at this part. I press the start button for calibration. Calibration. It appears on the screen and is announced. Each measurement interval is 30 centimeters. It must be. The sensor is positioned 10 centimeters above the ground. Adjustment will be healthier. To perceive large objects, one must also consider the small ones, if it is not desired in measurement. The sensor should be positioned 20 to 25 centimeters above the ground. The perception of small objects will be at a minimum level. Larger objects will be detected. I will receive a signal by pressing the start button at every step. The image will not appear first. Second in line, the image will form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First row finished. Now, returning to the starting position, I will perform the measurement process of the second row 30 centimeters to the left. Parallel in one direction. I am using the measurement method. This method polls the magnetic change it has created to get the tiniest detail with maximum accuracy before sensitivity loss. I can sense it through a parallel scanning method. 30 centimeters away from the start, I went left. Now I will measure the second row. when pressing the start button, when receiving a signal, taking my place, pausing, press start. In measurement, it will minimize the likelihood of making a mistake. When the device performs a detection to be used by the user, emitting a perception sound will be notified. User during measurement, as an audible warning when an object is detected, understands. During measurement, progress of the velocity and care must be taken to ensure that the measurement intervals are uniform. Thus, the shape of the detected object can be understood in a healthy way. The third step in the first row is at 1 meter. If the third step is at 1.5 meters in fourth place, image integrity is absent, and the shape of the object cannot be understood. This must be very careful. Minimum number of signals during measurement. 10 in the forward direction, in the side direction. As 10 pieces should be decided. Higher signal quantity. It's always better to analyze the soil to give us a much better judgment about the nature and depth of the detected object. We'll give a chance, acting as 20 signals to 20 signals. Guarantees that more accurate outcomes are achieved in the analysis of images. During measurement, sensor orientation. Right, left, forward and backward to a bad signal in a way that allows, should not be diverted, this one, erroneous movements in style should not be done, always. Sensor placed upright, must be. Calibration at 10 centimeters high. Sensor, as much as possible, 10 centimeters high. Action is required. 10 centimeters in one place. Measuring by lifting it to 25 to 30 centimeters in a place or by touching it to the ground. The magnetic level may either decrease or increase as a cause. Us different results. In front of us, can take it off. Scanning the last row, this one here. I will stop measuring. Yeah, right now. For educational purposes, to show to my client, first, measurement is done. Now I am in the office. We will analyze the data. We will look into this together. Afterwards, the image analysis clip. I will share. Here you will find ending the video.